Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with 4/3 by Strosahl. Or it could be 4/3, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it's a reference to the fact that it looks like 4/3 on the grid. All right, well, we have normal 6x6 Sudoku rules. So in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have these region sum lines in the grid. The way these work is when we cross a box border, we create a new segment. So we have this green segment and this purple segment on this line. All of the segments on the same line have the same sum. So whatever this sums to, this will also sum to that. So just as another example here, this is a segment and this is a segment. Whatever this sums to also sums to that. But it could be a different sum than this line. Different lines can have different sums. And that's it. Those are the rules. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. My eye is drawn to the top left here. And the reason for that is 4 cells has a very high minimum, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's ignore this 4 for a second, because down here is the same thing. So let's just talk down here and not let the 4 interrupt us. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is our minimum. That's 10. And so these 2 cells need to sum to at least 10. But the maximum they can sum to is 5, 6, which is 11. So therefore, our sum on this line and on this line is either 10 or 11. Now we saw up here that this 4 interferes with the ability to add to 10. We actually have to increase this 4 to a 5, and that is 11, which is our maximum. So this is 1, 2, 3, 5. This is a 6. This has to add to 11, which is a 5, 6 pair. That means these can't be 5. That puts a 5 up here. All right, we have this 5, 6 pair looking down. This 6 looks down. We can't put a 6 here because we'd have to do 6 plus something equals this digit, which can't even be 5 or 6. Definitely not happening. You would never put a 6 on these two, just right from the start. And so the 6 ends up here, which does the 6 up here somewhere. We'll think about this in a second. I'm wondering if there's any more obvious follow-ups. This is actually, it's not 3, it's not 5, 6, so this has to be a 4. Because this is minimum 1, 2, adding to 3, but we can't add to 3. We also can't add to bigger than 3, or bigger than 4. We can't do 5 or 6, so it has to be a 4. This is a 1, 3 pair. That makes this a, yeah, the 5s look down, placing the 5 here, and that makes this a 2, 4 pair, so these aren't 2. We can place the 5 here, and we can place the 2 here. All right, I knew there was more Sudoku. This is 1, 3. These two are the same digit as each other. What's left? 1, 2, 3. That's not a 3, so this is 1, 2. That's a 1, 2, 3 triple, making this 4, 5, 6. All right, I think it's time to think about this guy. So we know that it's either 10 or 11, making this 10 or 11. So this is also 4, 5, 6. That's not a 4. And it must contain this 6. Because we're either 10, which is 4 plus 6. Can't do 5 plus 5. That would repeat the 5. Or we're 11, which is 5 plus 6. And so this is not a 6. So this adds to either 4, which would be 1 plus 3, which would have to be a 1 here with a 3 here. Or it adds to 5. We can't do 1 plus 4. If we did 2 plus 3, this would be the 2, and this would be the 3. So this is always a 3. Those 3s look down, putting a these 3s look in. So the 3 is placed here in the corner. Very nice. And this 3 places the 1 and 3 in this corner. So we get 2 3s in the corner right after each other. Very nice. This is 1, 2, 4, I suppose. We get the 2 and the 1 here. That places the 4. That's 2 and 4. That's 1. So now we know this has to add to 10, because our choices are 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 5. So this has to be 1, 2, 3, 4 now, making this a 5, 6 pair. We get the 3 and the 2 and the 1. Oh, this, yeah, okay. That's 1, that's 3. All right, this guy is a 5, which actually does then make, yeah, this was 4, 6 just because of this sum as well. That's 5. I think there's a few ways to finish this puzzle. That's 6 and 5, that's 5 and 6. This is a 2, and then up here we need 1, 4, and 6. That's a 1, that's a 4, that's a 6. All right. Oh, I finished in pi time. Perfect. All right. Well, very cool puzzle, Strosahl. I enjoyed the sort of fight between are we 10 or 11, and then this 4 helped us here, and then a 4 was forced onto this guy, which forced it to be 10. Very neat. All right. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.